In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing this very simple protective hairstyle that requires me twisting all of my hair, you guys. So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And welcome. If today is your first time here, please do not make it your last, okay? So I'm starting on freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I'm just going to section out the part of the hair that I'm going to be braiding backwards. And I also decided to plait or braid this part first, just because I knew this was going to be the challenging part for me, because I've not really braided my hair to be worn out by myself before, like just my hair with no extensions. I don't even know what I mean. Like usually I will do single braids, box braids, but like this type of braids, not really, at least not since I've been natural. So yeah, this was a huge challenge, and I'm going to be using Blue Magic hair wax. I don't know what it's called, that Blue Magic hair cream sha. So I have a little mirror down there. That is what I'm using to aid myself, as well as my front facing camera, you guys. After I've braided this much, I just go ahead to switch to twist, because I want mini twist throughout my head, not mini braids, because you guys, who's gonna loosen it? Who's gonna loosen it? Not me. So yeah, I prefer mini twists to mini braids. Let me know in the comment section, which do you prefer, mini twists or mini braids? Let me know, okay? This tutorial doesn't even require so much of explanation. All you need to do is sit back, relax, watch, and enjoy, okay? And also, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, Biko Ejo, subscribe right now before you leave the video. Make sure you're giving it a thumbs up as well. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? And share the video as well with your friends. Let me know in the comment section if this hairstyle is serving as an inspo for you right now, if I'm giving you ginger or inspiration of some sort. You guys, let me know in the comment section, okay? And if you would like to see a detailed how to cornrow your hair video, Please let me know also in the comment section. You guys, I absolutely love this hairstyle, and it took me about 3 hours. You guys, I started braiding my hair, let's say, I think, what time was it? Maybe around 7 or past 6 or something around that time, and I finished around like to 10 or past 9. So about 3 hours it took me to get this twist in. And you guys, I absolutely love it. I'm currently rocking this hairstyle right now. I mean, it's old, but I love it. Like, it's just the perfect protective hairstyle when you just want to let your hair breathe. Okay, let me know if you're going to be trying this hairstyle, because me, I'm going to be doing this hairstyle more frequently. I'm telling you, I love it. I really love it. And I loved how it turned out. Like, I never expected it to be this neat. I think it was this neat, or it is this neat, because I stretched out my hair. So you guys, I think I'm now going to be stretching my hair. I'm just going to make sure I stretch my hair out before I get any protective hairstyle, because it just makes it a lot easier to manage, to part, to just grip and everything. And I love it, you guys. I love this style for me. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle, okay? I'd love to hear from you guys. Yo, that's it for this video, you guys. This is how it turned out. I absolutely loved it again. Let me know if you're going to try it out, okay? This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.